This is the border of Tajikistan and Uzbekistan, which was only opened this year.
Uzbekistan was lovely.
Well, I met this guy here from Samarkand who picked her grandmother to come here in Samarkand. Thank you very much. I arrived now here in Samarkand, Uzbekistan, and I was so impressed. I was so blessed that this guy that I met who picked his grandmother in the border of Tajikistan and Uzbekistan, he just dropped me in the train station and he paid as well for my taxi. I was so overwhelmed. I really don't know what to say, but some people were so good, and that's all I can say. Like, this guy was my first time to meet him, and he was able to so kind to drop us here in the city of Samaritan, Uzbekistan, and I'm so blessed. I just arrived now here in my hostel here in Samarkand, Uzbekistan. As you could see, there's not much backpackers in here. I heard that most of the tourists here in Uzbekistan were the older people, which is on their 50s like me, but I'm on the budget. Most of the older people they were in the tourist bus. So as you could see, this hostel is like empty. It's like there's about 12 beds in here. I'm lucky enough, like I'm paying about $8 a night plus $2 tax. Like, you have to register daily here in Uzbekistan. So far, this is the cheapest one in this city. It's like mostly like about you expect to pay about $20 to $30 a day. But now in here I'm paying only $10, including the government tax.